At Lundberg Family Farms, sustainability is an integral part of who we are as a community. We strive to honor our legacy through old and new practices. Our latest step on our path to sustainability is solar energy. Our solar arrays produce 1.9 megawatts of power, which will produce 25% of our total annual power.
These fields have been grown organically for 20 years and are non-GMO verified. These fava beans will be worked into the soil to provide nutrients for the rice fields. Nothing goes to waste. As stewards of the land, we nourish the soil and protect the crop.
We bring our sustainability practices into our snacks facility, where we produce the rice cakes from our organic brown rice. We have systems in place to make sure our processes run as efficiently as possible. We also use software that tracks rice cake production and waste created. All rejected rice cakes are composted or recycled into animal feed, staying true to our commitment of zero waste. We recycle 99% of our waste here, even hairnets and safety glasses.
So the next time you enjoy a Lundberg Family Farms product, you can be confident that it was made with the environment in mind.
From our family to yours.
Let's change the world.
One grain at a time.